Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to mute someone on Twitter using your phone. So as you can see, I'm on a web interface. I'm on my mobile interface, but the only reason why I'm not using it vertically the way you see it on your phone is so you guys can see it better, see everything clearly and read everything clearly. The other way maybe it would be harder. So let's get to it. And do you know that you can mute almost every account from hate speech to accounts that create problem to you and get rid of those ridiculous tweets? They think they're funny. They're not. But you cannot unfollow them because they're your colleagues and some of them might be even your boss. Yeah. So let's learn more about it. Twitter's muting feature allows you to remove an account's tweets from your timeline. Yes, you will still be following them, but maybe you can't unfollow them, yeah. And so that's the only way you can do it. You cannot unfollow your boss. You cannot unfollow that person that you met through your boyfriend, and now if you would unfollow them it could have been maybe awkward because you're in the same friend circle or things like that, but they're thinking they're funny, or they're thinking they're actually mean something on my timeline. But when they're not, what I do is I mute them. And for you to be able to do the same thing, for you to feel free, for you to feel I love my timeline. If you want to feel that way, just keep watching the video. I'll show you how to get rid of those comments, but keep them in your followers or in your following list, because maybe there's a reason for that. So, what we're gonna do, by the way, there is a good side of it that they will be muted, right? But they will not know that they have been muted. Maybe the only way they can know that, maybe you were liking their tweets just to make it seem less awkward or something. Maybe they're gonna be like, oh, there's lack of interaction between me and her. So that could be the only way, but they will never know. So how are we gonna do it? So as you can see, I open my app. Yes, open your app. Log into your account. Go to account which you like to mute. So let's find that person. I would like to mute this person because I don't even follow, but I keep getting those retweets. People are retweeting them. Oh, Carrie, you're right there. So how are we doing it? We came to their profile by clicking onto their profile icon. We're going to these 3 vertical dots, and did you see it? Did you see the beauty right here? Yes, I'm sure. Which I don't even follow this guy, but follow this page, but it keeps coming to my feed. So now let's find someone that's following me, or I'm following. Let's go. Okay. I don't know why I can't find. Okay. This page. I want to mute this page because the only time that I want to know this kind of conversation that's going on is a time that I want to read them. I don't want them to show up in my feed, because if they do, maybe I'm just in my boss and I see those stupid things. Actually, not stupid, but could be, a little bit provoking to the others. So I'm gonna mute this person, which I'm following. I'm gonna mute. I don't want to, but I don't want to be judged by public all the time. So as you can see, I muted no context texting, but I'm still following them. So the process is so easy. It's also very easy doing it on the website. You can also check that video of mine. So thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, and I know you did, I cannot deny it, I know you did. So if you liked this video and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I know you will do it right there, somewhere there. And if you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions about this video or about anything that comes to your mind, go write that down. I'll be right there reading your comments, answering your questions. If you have any suggestions, I'll read them and I'll be like, why? Maybe yes, I might be doing that. I might not be doing that, so I'll work on it. Thank you guys. Yeah, I know you're gonna like this video. That's why I didn't even have to remind you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I know you did, but in case of you didn't, click that button. It's easier than meeting someone. It takes like 3 steps. But subscribing to my channel, only 1 click. I'm right down there. Thanks for watching again, and see you guys in the next video.